Back at the missile building factory today. Got a little bit going on. We got Jai pulling down his RB25, taking off turbo, ready to get machined and everything ready for the build. And Connor's B16 getting torn down to go in his Civic out there. Going across the road to we're just having some KFC, look across the road. Yeah, like cool whatever, cars, NPC cars. Nah.
This isn't the car winner too.
Yeah, right.
Look at the fucking wheels on it.
A Pajero
I've never seen one in my
Evo.
life.
That is.
Choice of 3.
Bro, look at the front.
Wait, you might have heard.
I've never seen one of these like in person, like ever. This is probably one of the coolest things I've seen.
You've never seen an Evo
Are they're TEs?
This is the equivalent of if a fucking like good
What?
fucking Corby had sex with a like actual Evo, bro. That's so cool.
I've never seen one.
They're
Is
so
it?
fucking tough.
Wow, that is insane.
FD as well.
Even the
A nice tidy twin turbo FD RX-7 sitting there. Super wing on the back, it's kind of cool. But what's even cooler is that Pajero Evo further in the back there. Like yeah, it's pretty hard to see, but that's pretty cool. Just sitting here, like no one. I don't think most people would even know like what sort of cars these are. But yeah, no, that's so cool.
We'll see how that block's looking next month. Might get ready to catch that, by the way, bro. Yeah. Might get ready to catch that.
And who can say
could have it. Clean up on all four.
The worst part in this one is
They just got to do it in here to keep that good. On your pistons,
let me know if you like it.
you just need to place the 6 in.
Got the B16 and the RB all torn down. Very, very productive day today. Everything all sorted, ready to be sent away and steamed, and then once parts arrive, get them rebuilt.